What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna add 6 new Mini GT models to the collection, and we're going to do it a little bit differently. As you can see, I brought some stuff for comparison. Before we get started, I have to say, yeah, it's a little bit annoying right now collecting these Mini GT models. Not only they are getting more and more expensive, they are really hard to get. I had some of those on pre-order, I think for more than half a year. And I still have, I don't know, 15 or 20 Mini GTs on pre-order, and some of them I think for more than a year, and this is really annoying. And sometimes 3 or 4 or maybe only 2 models are ready, and you always have to pay shipping fees and that stuff. And yeah, I'm not really sure how long I will collect these models anymore. But anyways, we get started with our first model that we are going to add to the collection. This is number 866. This is the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport Gallo Bugatti, whatever. It's yellow. And yeah, let's take a look at this one. Here it is. Yeah, I think these supercars from that era, these Bugattis do look pretty weird in one way and pretty cool in another way. The thing is, I mean, as always, you can see some engine details here in the back. And yeah, I wanted to show you my other 2 Bugattis, my other 2 EB110s for comparison. And then I had to realize it seems that it's not the same casting. So let's put those next to each other, and then you will see some minor differences. First of all, you can see that the wing is much bigger here on our yellow one. And then if you take a look at this area here from the car, here on the I think this is the EB110 GT, and this is the EB110 Super Sport. I'm not an expert for this car. We have windows here on the back, and here it's metal intakes, whatever that should be. And of course, you see we have different wheels. Yeah. So that was our Bugatti. And we go on with our next model, with number 851, which is the Liberty Walk Airbus Works Abarth 595 in pink. Man, these names are so stupid sometimes. But anyways, this thing looks pretty cool. I don't have anything to compare with, but look at this guy right here. Love the color. Yeah, it's nearly neon pink. And look at all these details. I mean, these tiny rims look really cool. And take a close look at the tires. There are prints on the tires. And the prints are so small and tiny, even with my glasses on, I can't read what what they are saying. By the way, these newer Mini GT models always do say on the base which model it is. First or the earlier models didn't say that. We have a windshield banner, a lot of deco, really nice lens taillights, a Liberty Walk license plate, lens headlights, and yeah, the Abarth logo on the front. And by the way, let's take a look here in the background. This one rolls perfectly, although it has a really good stance. So yeah, a nice addition to the collection. Then we go on with number 843, which is the Nissan LBE R34 Super Silhouette Skyline. Yeah, very popular, this guy. I think 1 or 2 years ago we saw this guy from Hot Wheels Premium, and yeah, really popular. So there we go. Of course, our Mini GT version is yeah, much more detailed than the Hot Wheels version. Look at the windshield banner, all the sponsor logos here on the rear window. We have lens taillights, wing saying Liberty Walk. We have this yellow roll cage inside, and yeah, this guy here also has prints on the tires. I think it's saying Advan. Really sure. Lens headlights. Really, really nice. Nice addition. And I would say we go on with number 804, which is a new version for the Porsche 911 GT3R 2023 FIA GT World Cup, whatever. So there we go. I think this guy has another version to it with similar deco or nearly similar deco and another base color. So let's do a comparison to our other 911 GT3Rs. Of course, there is Rexy and this guy here, Pfaff Motorsport, also looking great. I mean, of course, you can't top Rexy in my opinion, and this Pfaff Motorsports is also really cool. I think this one is nice, but yeah, when you compare it with the other two, this turquoise version isn't as good as the other ones. But let's take a look once again at all the details. On this one we have Pirelli P0 tires, and now look at our Rexy comes with Michelin tires, and I think also this one. So, details really, really cool. Now we go on with this guy here, number 816. This is the Lamborghini SC63 with 12 hours of Sebring. So this one's also really, really cool. I like these, yeah, prototype cars, or I don't know exactly how to call them. But in the background you can see I do have more of these race cars, and I mean they look so good. This is the BMW and the Acura, and always, I mean, look at the stands of these models, and they roll perfectly. I mean, this is so cool, and this is yeah, this is Mini GT. But yeah, let's take a look at our Lamborghini. I mean, this one is really, really cool. I mean, look at the top of the wing, and you can see it here on camera. These parts have the carbon fiber pattern on them. On the side, also here on the side of the cabin. Here on top, if you look closely, you can read all the drivers' names, and of course, this one does roll. So yeah, I really, really love this type of race car. Pretty nice. And our last one is number 781, the Nissan Silvia S15 LB Super Silhouette in a new deco, and yeah, this one's really sick in my opinion. So I'll be honest with you, I'm not really into drifting and all that stuff, and also not really into JDM cars, but at this model here, I think it always gets the coolest deco in all the diecast world. So if you show you some other versions. So we've seen this one recently in Advent deco, also looking fantastic. Or yeah, this kind of deco. So if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way. I'm really into racing and rally livery. This is yeah, more drift car livery, but yeah, fantastic, really, really fantastic what they are doing. So I think this one here was the first version. I mean, look how good these two look next to each other. Really, really cool. And then we have this version. Yeah, this one. Okay, so yeah, that was the unboxing. As always, end of these videos, I'm picking a favorite, and well, I think it's I think it's this guy. Just looking good, and with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.